At number 10, Street Tribute Bill. 9, Junk Food Bill. 8, Older Workers Bill. 7, Congratulations Bill. 6, Good Drivers Bill. 5, Overloaded School Bags Bill. 4, Anti-Condom Ordinance. 3, Full Face Helmet Ban Ordinance. And 2, Anti-Cloning Act. And at number 1, ang nanguna, ang pinaka-kakaibang proposed law is Anti-Planking Bill. In 2011, Quezon City's 2nd District Representative Winston Winnie Castelo filed House Bill number 5316, or the Anti-Planking Act of 2011, banning planking as a form of protest. Planking is a global trend wherein individuals would lie on their bellies on just about any surface pretending to be a plank of wood.
Pag merong mga mamayan natin hindi nagugustuhan yung mga nangyayari sa gobyerno, pupunta sila sa kalsada. Siguro kaya nagkaroon ng law na to kasi parang nakaka-disrupt ata ng traffic.
Marami ka pwedeng pagbuhusan ng pansin mo sa paggawa ng batas. Pati ba yung paraan ko ng pagbibigay ko ng aking pagtutol ay bibigyan mo ng ganong kalalim na atensyon ng pansin. It's just a waste of time, di ba?
Dalawa naging reaksyon ko. Nung una natawa ako kasi batas na bawal na pala yung humilata, di ba? Kasi delikado daw. I think naman yung hihilata, alam kung gaano kadelikado yung ginagawa niya. Kung meron mang panganib na magaganap na may idiote na magdala ng pison at saka, talagang isain silang lahat nakahilata sa kalye.
Now, the congressman thought of the bill because, according to him, protesters put themselves in great danger when they do planking as a street protest.
Naawa ako sa ating bansa. Ganito na ba ang uri ng mga batas na ibinabalandra sa ating upper and lower houses? Diyos ko, sa dami-dami ng problema ng Pilipino, ang paproblemahin natin yung ilan na humihilata sa lansangan. Which only goes to show na some laws are made for the good of the country and some laws are just made for some lawmakers to say they made laws.
A lot of protesters, mostly students, reacted negatively to the proposed bill, which is still pending. They said that it's a curtailment of their right to freedom of expression.
Ba't nila ginagawa yun? Is parang gusto nila ipahiwatig yung nararamdaman nila sa gobyerno. Hindi siguro naman dapat i-restrict yung freedom na ngayon unless there is an excessiveness. Of course, meron mga rules tungkol dyan. Meron mga constitutional measures naman dyan tungkol dyan para ayusin yung mga any types of demonstration na nakakagulo.
You have to understand paraan niya yun para ipakita yung protesta niya. So parang kinikitil mo na rin yung kanyang karapatan para magprotesta. So kakaiba talaga, di ba? Pati paraan ko ng pagbibigay ng aking pagprotesta, hahadlangan mo.
Ang feeling ko, nakakita siya ng maraming taong nakahilata sa kalye at feeling niya, mag-disgrasya itong mga taong to.